These organizers help you store your bed linens neatly. They have transparent inserts and a collapsible design. A set of 4 costs $40. The Kerr waterfall faucet is a great buy, even for a small kitchen. It has several modes, including a waterfall mode, and features a 56-centimeter pull-out hose. It costs $34. The Prep Deck Gen 2 station helps with cooking, allowing you to sort, store, cut, and measure ingredients, even in a tiny kitchen. It costs $130. If you trip over cat bowls, get these wall-mounted ones. They attach to the wall and cost just $25 for a set of 4. These collapsible containers hold clothes and slide easily under the bed or into a closet. A set of 2 costs $30. This 2-tier organizer assembles in a minute and is a great buy for a small bathroom. It costs $24. This organizer has 4 spacious pockets that can hold dozens of toys. It costs $29. This Berlinzo mold makes large 6-centimeter ice balls that melt slower, keeping drinks cooler for longer. It's perfect for whiskey. The cost is $20. This set of 3 silicone oven guards cost $5. They can withstand temperatures up to 220 degrees Celsius and protect your hands from burns in the oven. The Lefton sink set rinses, washes, and cools food with precise control over water flow and temperature. It costs $800. This compact smoker is suitable for both food and drinks. It can add a smoky flavor to cheese, whiskey, or ice cream in minutes. The kit, which includes cherry and apple wood chips, is sold for $118. With the $38 Whirly Pop Pot, you can make popcorn in 3 minutes. Just add kernels and oil and place it on the stove. The Xylus accessory helps you get to the mango flesh quickly and neatly. The price is $26. The Baca Fix silicone baking mat is an eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper. It's non-stick, dishwasher safe, and withstands temperatures up to 230 degrees Celsius. The price is $18. This organizer can hold 40 large or 52 small Nespresso capsules. It costs $172. This rotating spice rack fits perfectly in a small kitchen. It fits in many cabinets and allows you to easily grab the jar you need. It costs $43. This dish brush with a built-in soap dispenser helps free up counter space. It features both bristles and a scraper. It costs $15. This bedside shelf folds away when not in use and holds up to 15 kilograms. It's ideal for a small bedroom and costs $40. This table with a pneumatic lifting system is perfect for working on a laptop or having breakfast in bed. It's compact and multifunctional. It costs $125. This collapsible laundry basket takes up 70% less space than a standard one. It fits easily into a closet. It costs $33. This 360-degree rotating bookshelf is perfect for a small apartment. It holds 100 books and costs just $56. If you don't have space for a regular washing machine, the collapsible DXJ washer can help. It holds 10 liters, has 3 washing modes, and fits easily under a cabinet. It costs $127. This gadget for boiling eggs combines a timer and a piercer. A pierced egg is less likely to crack while boiling and is easier to peel. It costs $33. This StarLife machine helps you quickly make ice cream without milk, cream, or sugar. It costs $67 and comes with 6 interchangeable nozzles. This set of 4 containers is especially useful for cut vegetables and fruits. The elastic silicone film provides a secure seal, making the containers more compact. The set costs $12. This CO2 soda maker stands out with its minimalist design. The price is $200. The Philips Senseo frother works with both hot and cold milk. With one fill, it can make enough foam for 2 cappuccinos and costs $58. This electric stainless steel machine cuts potatoes, carrots, and other vegetables into cubes, which is especially useful for making French fries. It costs $370. This gadget helps open bottles and cans and also sharpens knives. You can buy it for $50. The rotating Presto oven bakes cookies, pizzas, and chicken wings while using 60% less electricity. The price is $84. This wall-mounted jewelry cabinet not only helps organize jewelry, but also complements the interior with a mirror and lighting. It costs $80. This knife block saves both space and your sanity. It holds 16 knives and a sharpener, and you'll always know where to find the right knife. It costs $35. This folding bench can be a sofa, coffee table, stool, and more. Thanks to its folding system, it's perfect for small apartments. It costs $317. The company Create AT sells a kit to build a Murphy bed. This bed folds up vertically, freeing up space in the room. The kit costs $289. This electric composter reduces the volume of food waste by 90%. 2 activated carbon filters prevent unpleasant odors. It costs $356. This bamboo bed tray is convenient for breakfast in bed or working on a laptop. Its legs fold for easy storage. It costs $14. This kitchen island has a protected section for a trash can. The roll-down egg dispenser helps keep your fridge tidy. It holds up to 14 eggs, which roll down neatly as you use them. It costs $17. The Xylus grater is great for cheese, nuts, and chocolate. It's also suitable for left-handed people. The price is $25. The Bear Hot Pot electric multi-cooker holds 2 liters and is designed to cook for 3 people. It costs just $35. The KitchenAid appliance cooks grains and beans. It weighs the product and then automatically adds the right amount of water. The price is $350. This mini fridge from Califord holds up to 180 cans, freeing up space in your main refrigerator. It has 3 removable shelves and costs $800.